And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 120. Let me show you how you can import brushes. It's an easy way to create many effects. Create a new layer here. We've got the brush to active, so these are the regular brushes right here. And in this menu, you can find all of the Insta brushes. And I've got this crack brushes already installed. It shouldn't be there for you by default. I activated, for example, the brush tool right here. Use this menu, and then you see the gear icon on top right. That says import brushes. But you can also go to window, click on brushes. This opens the brushes menu. Click on the 3 stripes, and it also says import brushes right here. So pick either of these options. And obviously you need some brushes to import. You can find free ones, for example, on Brush Easy. Let us, for example, pick a smoke brush set. Just download it. Might give you an ad or something, but it shouldn't take that much time. Once you've got it, you need to extract the folder. So just find it. In my case, it's in my downloads. Then use extraction tools. Extract all. And then you've got this folder. It should be an ABR file. Now we have to go back to Photoshop. Let us use the brush tool and its menu. Then the gear icon, import brushes, then double click on the ABR file. And there you go. Here we have it now, free smoke Photoshop brushes 1. Let me pick one of these. I left click. And we have smoke. I'm going to link to this specific brush in the video description if you want to download the same. The process works for all of them. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.